Good morning, everyone. Today we revise the laws of exponents, right? So before starting this topic, first of all, you should know about what is base and what is power, or you can say exponent. See, if I write x to the power a, then x is the base and a is the power, or you can say exponent, right? So the first law is, if we have two numbers, their bases are same and powers are different and multiplication sign is there, then you have to add the power. Write the base once only and add their powers, right? Similarly, if in place of multiplication division is there, bases are again same, powers are different, then you have to subtract the powers, that is a minus b. बेस एक ही बार लिखेंगे and you have to subtract the powers. Now see, if you have one power a and further you have another power, then powers multiply each other. Fourth, if two numbers are there and they have one power, this say a, then separately you can write x to the power a into y to the power a, right? Fifth, if we have in place of multiplication, if we have division, x divided by y raised to the power a, then numerator raised to the power a upon denominator raised to the power a. And in all the cases, you can write this expression like this and you can write this as this, right? And then sixth law is, if we have negative power, sixth law, suppose we have negative power and we want to make it positive, then you have to shift in denominator, right? Or if it is in denominator, suppose expression is like this, then you write make the power positive and shift this denominator to numerator. If in numerator we have negative power, you have to shift it in the denominator to make the power positive. And if it is negative in the denominator, then you have to shift the power, you have to make the power positive and shift this number into numerator. न्यूमरेटर में है तो डिनोमिनेटर में ले जाकर आपकी पावर पॉजिटिव होगी, और डिनोमिनेटर में यदि नेगेटिव पावर इज देयर तो आप उसकी न्यूमरेटर में ले जाएंगे, देन द पावर बिकम पॉजिटिव. देन सेवंथ लॉ इज, if we have any number raised to the power 0, then it is always 1. Any base raised to the power 0 is always 1. Now we learn all these exponents step by step, right? First आपने किया x to the power a into x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. See, example, suppose we have 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 2 to the power 3 by 4, right? See, you have to apply this law here. Why? Because bases are same, powers are different and multiplication is there. So in this case, we write the base once and powers add up. See, base एक बार लिखना है और power add हो जाएंगे, तो powers आपकी 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 है, right? Now you have to simplify the power. Both the powers are fractional. Take the LCM. Read the table of 2. You have 2 plus 4 का टेबल रीड कीजिए, 1 टाइम जाएगा, 1 into 3, right? So you have 2 to the power 5 by 4. This is our first law and the example for first law is this, right? Similarly, if we are revising the second law, we replace this multiplication by division, then the powers subtract according to second law, right? So here, with us continuing with the same example, I have taken division sign, then powers subtract. Then you simplify again. 4 is the LCM, 2 2s are minus 4 का टेबल रीड कीजिए, 1 टाइम जाएगा, 1 3s are 3. So it is 2 raised to the power minus 1 by 4. Here the power is negative. To make it positive, we have to shift the number in denominator, and we have 1 upon 2 raised to the power 1 by 4, right? Now see how to apply these laws, that I am saying. Third, in case of third, suppose I have this number, I have told you x to the power a and further we have b, then powers multiply each other, right? Powers multiply हो जाती हैं. तो इस तरह का हम एक और क्वेश्चन लेंगे. See, 2 raised to the power 3 and further we have another power, then powers multiply each other. So we have 2 raised to the power 3 into 1 by 3. Powers multiply हो जाएंगे. 3 cancel out with 3 and you have 2 to the power 5. If the question is that you have to answer in exponent form, then leave it as it is. If the question is evaluate this expression, then you have to simplify. 2 to the power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 32. Right? Then we revise the next one, that is, suppose 11 raised to the power 1 by 2 into 13 raised to the power 1 by 2. Bases are different but the power is same. In this case, bases multiply each other. Bases multiply हो जाएंगे and you have to write the power once only. So multiply 13 into 11, we have 143. So we have 143 raised to the power 1 by 2. Right? Similarly, if we have question like 2 to the power, or you can say 32, you have to simplify this expression, right? So fifth order means if we want to remove this fifth order, we have 1 by 5 power, right? Then you have to simplify the base. 32, you have, if you have taken LCM of this 32, we have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the power 5. Now see, further we have to apply powers multiply each other. So you have 2, right? Next question based on these exponent is, say, 4th power 81 raised to the power minus 2. Suppose this is the question. So first we have to remove this 4th order, write this number as it is, and 4th order is removed by 1 by 4th. 4th order का मतलब क्या है? यदि हम इसे हटाते हैं तो power is 1 by 4. Now again powers multiply each other. So minus 2 into 1 by 4, that is 81 raised to the power minus 1 by 2. Now see, 81 raised to the power minus 1 by 2, right? So 81 you can write like 9 square. Powers again multiply. So you have 9 raised to the power minus 1. That is 1 by 9. Thank you.